Did you know that every 39 seconds, a cyber attack occurs somewhere around the globe? Yes, you heard it right. The hidden world of cybercrime is far more prevalent than most of us realize. Consider this. In the time it takes to brew a cup of coffee, approximately 9 cyber attacks have already taken place. Shocking, isn't it? These attacks encompass a wide range from data breaches that expose sensitive information to ransomware attacks that hold vital systems hostage. Each one, a silent and invisible threat lurking in the shadows of our interconnected world. As our lives become increasingly digital, the importance of cybersecurity escalates. In a world where even the smallest lapse in security can lead to catastrophic consequences, the need for robust defenses is paramount. After all, it's not just about protecting our devices, but our identities, our privacy, and our very way of life. With such alarming statistics, the need for cybersecurity becomes more apparent than ever. In the midst of this digital chaos, a group of unsung heroes arises, the ethical hackers. These digital guardians are not the villains they are often portrayed to be. Instead, they are the protectors of our increasingly connected world. Ethical hacking, often referred to as white hat hacking, stands in stark contrast to its darker counterpart, malicious or black hat hacking. While black hat hackers use their skills to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain, ethical hackers use the same set of skills to identify and fix these vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. They are the ones testing the fortifications, probing for weak spots, and ensuring that our digital walls are robust enough to withstand any attack. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in safeguarding our data. They test system security, simulate cyber attacks, and expose potential threats. They're the unseen guards, tirelessly working behind the scenes to keep our digital world secure. There are countless examples of ethical hacking in action, from identifying vulnerabilities in major tech companies to preventing potential cyber attacks on government systems. Ethical hackers have proven their value time and time again. Their work is instrumental in enhancing cybersecurity, and their contributions cannot be overstated. Without ethical hackers, our digital world would be like a city without its watchmen. They are our first line of defense in a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, and for that, we owe them our thanks. But what exactly do these ethical hackers bring to the table? Imagine a world where our digital lives are constantly under threat from cybercriminals. Now imagine a group of skilled individuals, ethical hackers, using the same techniques as these cybercriminals, but instead of wreaking havoc, they're working tirelessly to secure our digital world. Firstly, ethical hacking allows for the early detection of vulnerabilities. By simulating cyber attacks, these virtuous vigilantes are able to identify weak points within a system before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. This proactive approach is akin to having a health checkup. It's always better to catch a potential issue early, before it escalates. Ethical hacking also leads to better system security. These digital defenders help build stronger, more secure systems by recommending security updates and improvements. They are the architects of digital fortresses, working in the background to harden our defenses against the ever-evolving threats in the cyber world. Finally, ethical hacking aids in the prevention of data breaches. By continuously testing and retesting system security, they ensure that our most sensitive information remains secure. This vigilance can save organizations and individuals alike from the catastrophic consequences of data theft. In essence, ethical hacking contributes to the development of more robust security measures and the creation of a safer digital environment. These cyber guardians, with their unique set of skills, are invaluable in our increasingly connected world. Ethical hacking, thus, is a crucial element in our fight against cybercrime. Let's take a step back and reflect on what we've learned today. We started our journey venturing into the often unseen world of cybercrime, a lurking menace in our increasingly digital lives. We then moved on to the silent guardians in this world, the ethical hackers. These individuals use their skills not for harm, but for the protection of the digital realm, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep us secure. We explored the significant benefits of ethical hacking, a practice that helps identify vulnerabilities and strengthen security measures. It's a proactive approach to cybersecurity, a critical aspect in an era where our personal, professional, and financial lives are intertwined with technology. Remember, the fight against cybercrime is a collective effort. Ethical hackers play an invaluable role, but awareness and vigilance from each one of us can make a significant difference. In a world where cyber threats lurk at every corner, ethical hackers remain our best defense, constantly working behind the scenes to keep our digital lives secure.